how to overlay photos on Instagram post, watch this video till the end. Initially open the Instagram app on your phone. Next tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Then click on the plus icon at the top right corner and from the menu select post. After that choose the main photo you want to post and hit next. Now to overlay additional photos, click on the photo icon at the bottom. From here select another image to overlay on the top of original. You can adjust its size or move it around. To add more overlays, simply repeat the same step. Once you are happy with the layout, hit next. Finally hit share at the bottom to publish your photo overlay post. With these few steps, you now know how to overlay photos on Instagram post.